Salt is essential for life and a passion for all the dedicated employees at SaltWorks. Founded in 2001 by Mark Zosky, the SaltWorks mission is to discover, improve, and provide the best sea salts from around the world. As a result of its relentless focus on quality, innovation, and reliability, SaltWorks has become the #1 bulk gourmet salt supplier to food manufacturers. Starting from the cleanest waters in the world, our sea salts are ethically harvested and solar evaporated. Each grain is then meticulously inspected and perfected with our proprietary techniques in our state-of-the-art facility in Woodinville, Washington. Using advanced technology, our salts are available in various grain sizes and quantities. The result is a portfolio of the highest quality ingredient and finishing salts that are all natural, organic compliant, and are kosher and SQF Level 2 certified. From classic Himalayan pink and pristine white sea salt to exclusive, all-natural smoked and flavoring innovations, there are dozens of flavors to explore and discover. Our innovative Perfect Smoke technology features premium sea salt that is cold smoked with real wood, without any liquid smoke or additives, resulting in the boldest, smokiest flavors and aromas. Our proprietary fusion salts offer unique flavor applications ranging from spicy to savory. These all-natural flavored salts can bring a tremendous kick of flavor to any product, from truffle fries to sriracha chips. Our newest creations include Mini Flake, which is perfect for tortilla chips and pretzels, and Micro Flake, a fantastic salt for popcorn or nuts. Both salts are designed with a wider surface area to deliver a burst of salty flavor with less sodium. From snack foods to frozen meals to desserts and more, there's a salt from our wholesale collection to elevate every culinary project while meeting ever-changing consumer trends. SaltWorks is the perfect partner for the perfect salt.